Wujiao Abdullah, Wushi Pakistan Ran, Wushi Shweshan, Wushi Danshan, Wuyo Pengyo, Tajio Rana, Nivanshi Hanhao Losh.
Very good. Wow. Yes. Your pronunciation also now is very clear. So he's from Pakistan. So he has a friend called Rana. And she also said, you are a good teacher. Thank you. Yes, very good. Okay, next.
早上好，我叫萨，我是巴基斯坦人，我是学生，我是九行了，我有两个女孩子。
So 我是 okay here. 结婚 is already a verb, so no need 是 you just say 我结婚了 because you said 我是结婚了 understand? No need 是单身 you can say 是结婚 because it's a verb already, so no need 是 you can say 我结婚了 yes, others good pronunciation 很好 so from Pakistan married have 2 children right? Yes. Good. Next one. If no more, then we'll finish. Okay.
早上好，我叫法比尔，我是加拿大人，我是英文老师，我是29岁，Samuel 是我的朋友，我住在上沙，我不有孩子，
不有
没有孩子。
Right. Finish? Okay, good. Only the last one. No hair 是没有 okay? 不有 Others very good. Also pronunciation 很好 Very clear. All correct. Yes. So he's from Canada. No children. Is an English teacher. Samuel is his friend. He lives in Shangsha. Yes. Okay, the last one. Okay, one last opportunity. Okay, the last one, then we'll continue. Who want to try? Don't be shy, okay? No more, then we finish. Okay, try.
早上好，我叫丽莎，我是巴基斯坦人，我是深圳大学的学生，我是单身，我是25岁，我有中文老师，他的名字叫Linda，我有2个中国朋友。
Good, very good. Yes, all grammar correct. Pronunciation also good. So from Pakistan, 25 years old, has a Chinese teacher's name is Linda. She also has 2 Chinese friends. Yes, very good. And is single. Okay. 很好. Yes, very good, everyone. Well done. Actually, I'm surprised that just you tried all you pronunciation really good. That's very important. Yes, very happy for you. So now let's continue. Last class we learned number, right? So actually now you can say from 0 to 99. So important is the pronunciation, okay? For example, 13 是13. 30 是 30, okay? Now also use the hand, right? Let's review. 0, how to say? 0. We have this material, right?
I don't have it.
Okay, you don't have. Okay, you don't have. Maybe together with the neighbor, when we take a break, ask the reception to copy for you, okay? Okay, let's start. 0, 0, 1, 2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10。Not 10， 10。Yes, it's 10. Go up 10. Then 11, 11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、20、21、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、30. Yes. So, for example, 30是30。If 13是13 right? Don't me. Yes. Yes. For the number. So actually then 90 how to say? 90. Okay, continue. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. Yes, okay. So actually now you can say 100 numbers because 1 to 99 add 0, 0. So 100 numbers you know how to say, right? So then for the number, then we can tell our age. Like just you did very well. For example, if you say I'm 20 years old, how to say? Yes, 20岁. Yes, 岁. This is for like age, right? Yeah, years old. So you need to say 20岁. And the last time we said that English say I am 20 years old. But Chinese, we can say 我是20岁. But we said we can delete 是 to avoid misunderstanding, right? Because, for example, if the baby is 3 years old, if you say 是, say 他是3岁, sounds like 13岁, right? That's why we say we delete the 是, we just directly the number. So 他3岁, 我20岁, for example, right? Okay, so talk about age, talk about money. You can omit the verb. No need the verb, it's fine. Okay, age and money. So today we will learn how to talk about money. So okay, so this is about the number. So very important from 0 to 99. You remember. Then later we will learn bigger number. It's easy. Also, the number related with the time word. So later we learn all the time word we use the number. That's why you must memorize all the numbers. Okay? Any question? 有没有问题? Okay, 没有. So now let's practice a little bit 拼音, then we will learn new things. Page 3. This one. Page 3. Page 3. We read like from top to bottom, okay, like this. Okay, you read together.